Hi guys, welcome to the first video of linear regression. So here I have created this data frame. So basically a student, the number of hours he put into studies based on which he will get this score. So I'm creating this data frame and then checking the data frame head, the first 5 rows, and then to get the shape of the data frame I'm using dot shape method, and it shows here. You can see it is 2-dimensional, 9 rows, 2 columns. So checking the summary of the data frame where it shows the null and non-null values and the D type of the data frame, columns int 64, and to check the description of the data set we are using the dot describe method. Here we can see the mean of each column and then standard deviation, minimum value in your each column, and the same 25 percentile, 50, 75, and the maximum value. And the main point, how to split data frame into X and Y, basically input and output. So here you can use dot lock method. Using the dot lock method you can split the data into X and Y, or you can use another method where we drop the marks column to get the X and then save the marks column in Y. So here I am showing you both. X equal to df dot drop. Checking the head again, you can see that when you use dot lock method or dot drop method, the output is still in data frame form. But if I don't use dot drop method to get the Y, I get the Y in a form of series using this method. So thank you guys for this video.